Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making this awesome spiral staircase friendship bracelet. This is great for beginners. I'm using 6 colors. You will need 27 inches of each string, so 6 strings at 27 inches. And then we're going to tie a knot just about 6 inches down from the top. So it's just a simple knot around the fingers, then through the loop, and we pull it nice and tight. Then we tape it down to our workspace. You can clip it as well if you would like. And we will start by separating our first color from the rest of the strings. I'll be using white. So the way a forward knot works is you're going to make a figure 4 with the string, and then the end goes underneath the bundle of strings, and you grab it with the other hand. At least that's how I do it. And then making sure to keep tension on the bundle of strings as well as the knotting string. Pull it right up to the top. Repeat. Make that 4 over the strings, pop it under, grab on. Ideally, you would count how many knots so that you do about the same amount of knots for every different section of the bracelet as we go. I tend to start doing that and then get distracted, so I just kind of go approximate. Either way works. Doesn't really matter. It's an art. We have my speed version. I just poke my fingers through and grab the string. It's nice and easy. And then I just keep making knots. As we finish those first 3, you'll notice in true spiral staircase fashion, these knots do like to spiral around. So when it comes around, don't freak out, just let it go to the other side. And then we'll just keep making our knots as normal. Alright, now we are on to our next color. So I'm doing pink for this one. It looks a little better if the pink is underneath the white, but if you don't understand what I'm saying, then don't worry about it. We're just gonna keep making our forward knots as we've been doing. It doesn't change. That's the simplicity of this bracelet and why I think it's so perfect for beginners. Now we're switching to red. And just continue this process. Just keep going. Switching colors, whatever you like. You can make the sections longer, shorter. Just go with the flow. Now we've completed one full section, and we're back around to the white. Now we've completed just about 2.5. We're close. And I'm going to show you, I flip the bracelet around to show you how we tell if it's done or not. So I've placed my wrist, I wrap it around, just like you would wear a bracelet. You see there's kind of a lot of space there. So I just did a couple other sections here into the finished bracelet that you see now. So then I throw another knot at the end, and we are all done. And then it's pretty easy to tie on and finish up. It's the permanent version, you just throw it in a double knot. I'm attempting to do it on myself, which is less fun. If you have somebody else that can help you put it on, that's actually the most difficult part, is tying it on yourself. That's why if you ever see me, I have a lot of my friendship bracelets permanent on my ankles because it's just a lot easier for me to tie when I'm all by myself. And that's it. You're set. You crushed it. You're amazing. Well done on making your first friendship bracelet. And even if this isn't your first, it was good to have you. And if you like the tutorial and you want to see more like these, make sure to hit the like button, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to aim for one a week. No promises. All right, bye-bye.